Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Trinity and welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna be talking how to play Rust Legacy on the Rust Legacy servers. If you're missing the old good days of the Rust, you can join us on BalkanRust server and have some fun with us. The server has just been wiped and developed and tested to provide stable and good reliable server with the admins and anti-cheat installed on the server. Without further ado, how to do this, I'm gonna show you right now. Before we actually start anything, we're gonna need few things. First one is the Rust Busters client, where we'll be able to connect and play the original and good old legacy days. Now we can go to the forum. Links will be in the description how to navigate to this. It's Fougerite.com. Type in that. You can create your account. It will take some time to get activated, but I'm gonna leave the link in the description where you can find all the information I'm currently going in. So we click on the resources, page number 2, and we find Rust Busters client. This is the latest one, and you can click here to download the latest one without registration. So you don't need to actually have account in order to use this. Now you can download this your PC. I will not going to do it because I already have it. This is standard mega download link. It's pretty much safe. You can check it with any viruses, any antivirus to check that it's actually clean. Once when it's downloaded, you're gonna extract it anywhere on your PC. Mine is located in the local disk D because that's the disk I use for games. You can install it wherever you want. Now you're gonna have few files that you can do. Now leave everything as it is, so don't touch anything. You just need to run Rust Busters.exe. It will require the admin privileges, but once when you get the admin privileges, it will prompt you with this screen. Now what you can change different languages for Russian, Spanish, Hungarian, and so on. What is important here? First things, enter your nickname. You can set whatever you want. I will gonna use for this test nickname. Actually I'm not. I will use my original nickname, which is Trinity. Once when you're done, you can click on check files. It will check version, download all required files, even though just to be sure, and then hit play. Keep in mind you need to have Rust Busters.exe run as administrator. Now we are granted with play Rust configuration screen where we can change our input methods. You can change the graphics, starting with the screen resolution, graphics quality, and monitor we want to display. And click play. Now we are greeted with standard Rust screen, and now we are into the main menu. If you hit play game, we're gonna get some server list. This server list is updated through Rust Busters and will only display approved and servers that is being listed on the server list that this game is reading from. Now this is Rust Buster 2.1.0, which is currently the latest version of the Rust Buster supported. And keep in mind, these are not the only servers up there. If you go to Fougerite.com, click on forums, scroll down to community servers, you can find a detailed list of different servers. Some of them are working, some of them are not. For example, let's go into the Inferno Rust and you have some information here. Now that's not in mine, I'm gonna give you my server you can join. Now how to join is hit F1 to bring up the console, type in net.connect BalkanRust.net 2.28.015, and you should be greeted with BalkanRust server. It will load up the server. It will take less than a minute. It's really doing just fast, and you're connecting to our server. And now we are greeted with entered in the Rust Legacy game. The server has been wiped and it's completely empty in the moment. If you want, you can join. We are near the small red town. Now we can type in help. It will bring us the list of all commands we can use. Keep in mind, some of these commands are not available to all of the players. I'm the admin of the server, so some commands. Now we can start by typing in kit, which will list us all available kit for us. And we're gonna go kit starter, which will give us kit starter. Well, we have some basic tools and which will help us to gather the resources and start building our house. To make things easier, to build your first base, you can type in kit home, which will give you 1 foundation, 4 pillars, 3 walls, ceiling, and just the stuff you need to basically build your first base and start working from there. Keep in mind there are limitations on the kit. For kit starter you can use it 5 times, and for kit home you can only use it once. So when you start, don't try to lose it. If you like this video, make sure to press the like, click the subscribe button, join our server, enjoy with the friendly admins and which are constantly active on the server, monitoring for your reports. You can like our Facebook page, links will be in the description, and also join our Discord server to have a easier way of communication with the admin and community. Once again, thank you for watching and see you on the server. Bye bye.